Welcome everyone, here is how to use the action button on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, we need to program it. So let's start by opening up settings. Then I want you to scroll all the way down until you see action button. And in here, you can swipe between left and right to choose whatever you want the action button to do. Once you've selected your option, to activate action button or turn on or off the toggle, just long press the action button once and that will either turn on or turn off the requested action you wanted. Now real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.